Go back. Let me listen again. Talk to me with your real voice, please.
Real voice.
Real voice, please.
Real voice.
Can you talk to me with the real voice? Oh my God.
Why you want speak talk with you?
Because that voice. Oh, voice, please. Please, just say hello. Nice to meet you with your real voice, please.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Oh my God. Are you in Indonesia right now?
Yes.
Who can buy me a ticket and fly to Indonesia?
Why?
Because I'm in love with your voice.
Mampus. 你问我爱你。
Okay, real voice. Sing this. 你问我爱你有多深 Real voice. Oh my God. Bubble.
你问我爱你有多深，我爱你有几分，我的情也真，我的爱也真，月亮代表我的心。你问我爱你有多深，我爱你有几分，我的情也真，我的爱也真，月亮代表我的心。I don't know.
Okay, don't go back, don't go back, don't go back, don't go back. How tall are you? How tall are you? How tall? What's your height? No. Tall. Your body. How tall? Your height. Oh, small.
Big. Why small? Big.
158. I'm 185. 158. Oh, cute. Kawaii.
Kawaii.
Okay, I'm gonna go check out your video after I go off. Yes, 158.
You.
185. Yes, I'm tall. I'm super tall. Wear shoes 190. 190.
Super tall.
Yeah, super
I
tall.
want to you sing.
Okay. But I sing rap, okay?
Okay.
You want hear? Yeah. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna sing rap, okay?
Okay.
家人们，我们哇塞，他票真的很多。Okay, let's go.
I can't keep my head up. Don't ever lose your.
他的梦工厂，他不是英雄，他需要朋友捧场，他想要挖到宝藏，跟着世界一起共享。心里想着计划，他根本忘了读书。翻过围墙，知道以后不同的路。他先走得太慢，所以他用力的跑。他知道时间还没到，他已经准备好。他早就习惯挫折，得不到该获得。他相信淡薄的话，这些一切都是过程。 身边太多贵人来去的过客，他害怕热情不再对大饼感到兴奋。他是最聪明的人还是最笨？不可能的任务不可能会胜任。他想要变成照顾身边所有的人，可能他只是个人，但他不愿意承认。
Why?
Oh, sorry. I thought you don't like it. You want cool or romantic or happy rap?
Romantic.
You want romantic?
Yes.
Okay. But I don't have romantic song. This is rap. 爱的我酒醉以后想要 get some baby baby 共进美好的晚餐我们街上太过亲密狗仔想要拍还是会选择你如果时间能重来杀了我吧宝贝陪我一起进棺材想被你的温度拥抱想念你身上熟悉的味道没有人比你可靠连把我现在就要 Okay, that's it.
I want to rap.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Oh, I've got beat every time. Davila?
Yes.
I know Davila.
Yes, because my husband. Wis tak coba nglaleke jenengmu saka atiku satenane ra ngapusi isi tresno siramu pepujane ning ati nanging kowe ora reti kowe sing tawanti-wanti malah jebul saiki kowe mlenjani janji jare so hidup semati nanging ngopo bukti kowe medhot tresnaku demi wedokan liya ya wis ora apa-apa insyaallah aku iso.
That's good. That's good. Why not? Vita? Oh, Vidhia.
Tembak lo ya.
Why you not keep singing? That's very good.
Kamen jauhnya.
That's very good. I like it. Datang mini kala palatin dan nimante.
Korea rap.
Song. Do I know Korean rap?
I know.
You know? I don't believe. What song?
Love scenario.
Love scenario? Icon.
Yes.
Bling 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 bling.
No.
快做默契 bling bling 能源不久一起杀给 bling
Nih.
I love icon kill
Wow.
it okay 哇他一直连我哎我们加油直接干到10000粉好不好没事那没办法Wow. Okay, I can sing Korean rap too.
Okay.
Yaki muchala.
Lagi mau salah.
Wanin la i la la.
Event.
Oh, like international battle?
No, I have a job with TikTok.
What is your... Oh, wow. You have a job with TikTok in Indonesia.
Yeah.
So TikTok is your company.
Yes.
So what's the event? What about it? What do you do?
I'm
With Japan?
international content with Japan.
Oh, wow. So you have meeting.
Yes.
You are a big creator on TikTok, social media. You're celebrities, right? Influencer in Indonesia. Nice to meet you, Vidhia.
No. many.
No money?
No many.
No man. Oh, not many. It's okay. It's really nice to meet you.
Because
I'm glad.
aku people sederhana. Because I'm people no rich.
But this is a international platform, so it's not only Indonesia people. There's Japanese, there's Korean, there's American, there's Russian.
America,
What?
Japan, and Taiwan, Vietnam, Malaysia,
Yeah.
Singapore,
Yep.
Thailand. I
Yep.
don't know.
Korea.
Korea, yes.
Thailand.
Yes.
Yes. No America.
No.
So only for Asian, right? Asia.
Yes. Asia.
Okay. Philippines.
Yes.
Yes.
Philippines. Dubai.
Alright. Okay. See you next time.
Yes. See you next time when you go Indonesia. Do you know that villa?
Yes, I know Davila.
Oh.
I matched with him one time because my friend.
Oh. Oh.
But maybe he don't know me.
Huh?
But I don't know if he recognized me. We play once. Me and Zach. You know Zach?
Jack. Okay.
Yeah.
I know Jack.
Friend. Good friend. Oh, whoa. Maybe. 31 wins. Let's go. Let's get it. She got 31 wins.哇，大铁，你真的哇，很会，我都忘记了。
Thank you, Kak Jody.
Oh my god, 32. Oh my god, I want to win. I want to take that 32.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Zach. Yeah, thank you. Maybe next time, Davila, Vidhia, Zach, Parker.
Okay.
Because normally I'm good. My numbers is good. But maybe you're too beautiful. Okay, thank you, Vidhia.
Lu ngomong aja dari tadi. Thank you, parkir.
Thank you, Vidhia.